Gazipur, a bustling city, blending tradition with modernity. Every day, thousands of people travel through the roads of this vibrant city, and one of the most significant routes among them is the road stretching from Shibbari to Chayabithi. Today, through the lens of a drone camera, we will capture the beauty, hustle, and development of this vital roadway. Our journey begins at Shibbari Mor, one of the busiest spots in Gazipur. As a key junction of the Dhaka-Mymensingh Highway, this area witnesses an immense flow of vehicles every day. Shibbari is home to numerous businesses, restaurants, and offices, making it one of the most bustling centers of Gazipur. Now we move forward from Shibbari towards Chayabithi. This road holds immense importance as it connects directly to the Dhaka-Mymensingh Highway. Every day, buses, trucks, private cars, motorcycles, and rickshaws navigate through this busy stretch, making traffic congestion a common sight, especially in the morning and evening rush hours. One of the major ongoing development projects along this route is the Bus Rapid Transit (BRT) system. Once operational, it will significantly enhance connectivity between Dhaka and Gazipur, making travel faster and more convenient. Moreover, new commercial and residential buildings are rising on both sides of the road, marking the city's transformation towards modernity. As we approach Chayabithi, we see various business establishments, educational institutions, and residential areas lining both sides of the street. In the evenings, the local shops become vibrant hubs of social gatherings, while during the day, the city's relentless rhythm of work and movement is unmistakably evident. Shibbari to Chayabithi. This is not just a road, it is a reflection of daily life in Gazipur. Every moment of urban life is intertwined with this route, and with the wave of development, it is evolving into a more modern and efficient roadway, ensuring a better connected future for Gazipur. We hope you enjoyed this breathtaking drone footage of the city. Stay with us for more exciting videos. Thank you.